Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you our development, Japanese to English conversion for Suzuki Jimny speedometer with added selection of miles or kilometers and removal of TPMS and SOS warnings. All menus and warning messages in Japanese imported Jimny Instrument Cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. Japanese Instrument Cluster does not even have clock settings. Importers in UK found another inconvenience. Odometer reading and fuel consumption were in kilometers only. They were able to swap the insert for the dual scale insert, but that was about it. Some people tried to install Instrument Cluster from the UK specifications rack. It has English and miles already. What could possibly go wrong? That is where surprises kicked in. UK Specs Jimny has TPMS system and emergency SOS system, whereas Japanese Jimny does not. UK Instrument Cluster expects those systems to constantly broadcast signals via CAN bus, telling Instrument Cluster that systems are functioning. When installed into Japanese input, Cluster does not receive those signals and throws permanent warning messages, as if those systems had failed. There are different ways to sort that issue, for example, by installing TPMS ECU and sensors and use dealership scanner to make it work, or by installing emulator, which would be sending corresponding signals to the instrument cluster. That is all doable, but complex, expensive, and definitely not for the average Joe who doesn't even know what CAN bus is and how to install electronic devices into their car. We offer simple and cost-effective solution by permanently removing TPMS and SOS warnings from the UK Specs cluster and adjust other data for compliance purposes. We reprogram Japanese instrument cluster to English, add selection of other European languages, selection of miles or kilometers, Fahrenheit or Celsius, and add clock setting menu. After conversion, Instrument Cluster displays notifications and various menus in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any warning messages will now pop up in English. This is not a DIY procedure. You need to show up in person or courier your instrument cluster to us in Auckland, New Zealand. We provide our services New Zealand-wide to Australia, UK, USA, and Canada. We do not share or sell know-how, and we do not work via middlemen. Call us on WhatsApp or mobile for quotes and bookings. Thank you for watching.